I think one of our biggest struggles was what we were using. Every new release just felt very shoved into the platform. AI was something that was trying to be built in, but it didn't really do anything very well. Moving to Nooks was appealing because we were already using the dialer. And it was like, well, now we can really be all in one platform. Transition to something new would be less painful. And now we can just do it all in one place in a platform that our team's already familiar with.
So I do think consolidating tools and putting our reps in one place, and I think we saw a lot of success with Nooks using the dialer already, and then with the sequence tool, it was kind of an added layer to have cross-channel. By combining our first-party call data with third-party signals, really makes these emails really personalized and relevant to the prospect.
Instead of it being kind of shoved in as a box to check, and really utilize our data in a meaningful way.
Unlike what we previously used, we felt that Nooks was built from the ground up using AI.
Just more accessible to them. They can go in and ask the questions because it really has our data and can understand and process it. And that was really valuable to be able to look at accounts and get some, AI assisted information there, as well as building the emails and the content. As it has learned more about our product, has made it a lot easier to get things stood up fast. We can launch something really quickly, and now we can just do it all in one place.
Prospecting required a lot of effort for our team, going between a lot of different tools and often losing them along the way. I think with Nooks, being able to use the Accounts Hub has really helped our team identify the right leads at the right time.
So our ROI per SQL and per meeting that they're booking is better because now we've created this efficiency by bringing in everything. So I'm seeing more net new leads being created by the team versus kind of us trying to help them do it in mass, kind of disjointed systems. So they're just more empowered to be like, this is an interesting account or a couple interesting people, or I saw some signals based on here, and I can just grab these people and bring them in now and execute fast. And I think that's been the biggest differentiator. Now with their sequencing, they can also do prospecting and put data all in one place, porting those over to our Salesforce and then finding them in Salesforce and using a Chrome extension to jump them into the sequence where they then have to add them to the sequence. We can do it all in one place. So I think just that work stream is just so much cleaner and easier, where they're able to bring data in with a few clicks all in one place versus having to log into a bunch of things and bring things around the corner from some other database.
Previously, it was really hard for my team to, get prospects into sequences and act on them efficiently. I think they sometimes lose these prospects in the process. So I think with Nooks, it's really seamless to, find the leads they want to work and load them up into the appropriate sequence. The ability to kind of flex between a dialer list and their sequence list. So I think it gives them, there's a lot more they can do with Nooks as a full, tool. And I think it really just gives them a lot of time. So we're just really excited about what's to come.